Hello students, I'm going to quickly go over how to access your online version of the myPerspectives text, and so if you ever need to remind yourself, please remember to find this video. So you should go on to Clever first and make sure you're logged on, and when you are scrolling through you should look for the Pearson Realize button. Once you click on that, it should take you to Pearson Realize right here, which you can then go click on what looks like our textbook. And I have on mine, obviously, the teacher's edition, but you would look for the interactive student edition, which is in orange, and click on that. Then you get to this website that says open in new window, and you'll actually have to click on that, and it will open a brand new tab for you, which is a little bit cumbersome, but hopefully doesn't take too long. And then once you want, when you want to actually search the, hold on, let me bring this over here a little bit. So when you want to search for the text that you're looking for, you should go to the menu, and then you need to click on Table of Contents. Once you are here, you can see that there are all the units laid out on the side. And so, for example, we're currently in the Unit 3 Modern Technology, and you can click on that to expand it, and then depending on where your text is, you might have to click on Whole Class Learning, Small Group Learning, or Independent Learning. Most of our texts that we've read so far are kind of in the whole class learning. So for example, if you wanted to go to Feathered Friend, you could click here and kind of see, let me shrink this down a little bit so you can see this better. You can see the text. Remember, you can then close out the menu and hide the picture if that helps you. And you may also play the text and read along up here. So that's always an option. You can adjust the speed here as well and make it go as slow or as fast as you want. And that should help you if you like to listen to the text and read. Another quick reminder is when you are reading, you can always annotate by highlighting text, and then you can select the actual highlight button. You can change the color, you can circle, you can underline, and you can also type annotations. So here's my notation and save. Once that's there, you can see that your annotation sticks. If you need to delete it, you can always click and hit the delete key. So that's just a little bit about accessing the online version of your textbook. Hopefully that helped, and have a great reading experience.